What's up guys? Once again, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we will be teaching you guys how to produce several equipment using a resin and a hardener. So we are making use of two chemicals, resins and hardener. We use a resin and hardener to produce this pen. So we'll teach you in this video how to produce fancy biro pen for business. You can learn this skill and start producing fancy pen and be selling at your location. So just watch this video and learn how to produce fancy things at home. So we'll not just be producing pen, we'll be producing a lot of things. We'll be uploading these videos once in a while for you to learn how to produce several things. We'll be starting with fancy pen. So over here is this pen mold, and here is our hardener, the major chemicals for producing things. This is the hardener. If you need this chemical, you can reach us on the number displayed on the screen to purchase them. And this is the resin. The two major chemicals for producing things like this are hardener and resins. You can use them and produce a lot of things. You can produce stuffs like pen, you can produce stuffs like key holder, you can produce stuffs like hand bangles. There's a lot of things you can produce using a resin and hardener. Any fancy thing that comes into your head, you can use a resin and hardener to produce them. So watch this video and learn how to produce fancy things at home, and you can use it and start up a business. This project was actually done at my workshop by a friend of mine called Dayo. So watch how Dayo is going to be using resins and hardener to produce fancy things that you can start selling. So the ratio we'll be using is 2:1. 2 parts of resin and 1 part of hardener. That's the standard ratio for working with resins and hardener. 2 parts of resins, 1 part of hardener, implying that your resin quantity will be 2 times higher than your hardener quantity. So this is how our resin looks like, and this is how the hardener looks like. Don't forget the ratio. 2 parts of your resin and 1 part of your hardener. That is the standard ratio for working with resins and hardener, and those are the 2 major chemicals for this project. You can produce virtually anything using a resin and a hardener. So watch this video and learn how to produce any fancy thing that comes into your head using a resin and a hardener. So Dayo has her YouTube channel. You can follow her on YouTube. Her YouTube channel name is I Am Dayo. Or you check the description of this video. If you have difficulty searching her on YouTube, you check the description of this video. You will find a link. Once you click on that link, it will take you to her YouTube channel. All you just do is to subscribe to the channel so that you'll be updated when she starts posting new videos on how to use resins and hardener to produce virtually anything at home. You can use this resin and hardener and start up a business, produce virtually anything. If you need the equipment, just in case you are interested in this resin and hardener business and you don't know how to purchase your equipment and the chemicals, you can reach Dayo on the phone number displayed on the screen of this video. You can reach her on WhatsApp or on phone call to purchase your chemicals and your equipment for resins and hardener. Reach her on the phone number displayed on the screen of this video to purchase your equipment to start up a resin and a hardener business. You can use it to produce anything, and you start up the business and you are good to go. So don't forget to follow Dayo on YouTube. Her YouTube page name is called I Am Dayo. Or if you have difficulty reaching her by searching for the name, you can do well by checking the description of this video. You will see the link where you can reach Dayo, or you can reach her YouTube channel and follow her on YouTube. So thank you for watching this video, and see you next time on our next resin and hardener project this week. Goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share this video, don't forget to comment. Thank you for watching, and goodbye to you all.